In 2026, the future is about to get a whole lot smarter. Robots helping at work, AI creating virtual worlds, smart assistants running your home, and wearables tracking your health like a personal doctor. They're real and coming fast. Some of the gadgets and systems that once felt like pure science fiction are now becoming part of our everyday lives. So, let's talk about the top 5 trends you need to know about. First is the humanoid robot. They are no longer just lab experiments or futuristic movie props. By 2026, they're becoming real-like functional companions in workplaces and industries. Companies like Tesla and Aptronic are leading the charge, building robots capable of handling materials, performing inspections. These robots aren't meant to replace humans. Rather, they are made to team up with us, improving the safety and efficiency of our work. Imagine working in a factory where you can focus on more creative and critical thinking tasks because a robot does repetitive tasks like lifting large boxes. For instance, Tesla's Optimus robot is made to help factory workers with repetitive work while lowering the risk of injuries. This trend is a significant step towards a future where robots and humans work together smoothly. Also, it's not just found in factories. Consider hospitals, building sites, and warehouses. Anywhere there's repetitive or physically demanding work, robots are stepping in as helpers, making life easier and work more efficient. Next up is the fascinating combination of AI with extended reality. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality are all part of XR, but AI is taking it to a whole other level. These technologies are transforming how we train, learn, and entertain ourselves by becoming more responsive, immersive, and interactive. This technology can adapt to your actions in real time, providing personalized and natural instructions. AI makes XR smarter and more responsive, so it responds to you rather than just following a preset program in interactive experiences and virtual places. By 2026, XR will seem smoother and more lifelike, merging the virtual and physical worlds and offering us fascinating new opportunities to experiment, educate ourselves, and enjoy technology. AI-driven XR is producing realistic gaming and interactive entertainment experiences. AI-powered robots in logistics and retail are changing significantly. These robots are becoming crucial team members in stores, helping to maintain operations, assist customers, and handle inventories. Imagine entering a store where a robot can direct you directly to the item you want or quickly scan the shelves to identify things that are about to expire. It's similar to having a personal shopper on call all the time. In addition to saving time, this guarantees a smoother and better shopping experience for clients. AI robots are transforming the logistics industry by transforming how products are transported from warehouses to your home. Package sorting, effective packaging, and even item delivery are becoming automated tasks. For businesses, this means fewer mistakes, quicker deliveries, and lower operating expenses. AI robotics makes it possible to imagine getting your item the same day, properly wrapped, and with little possibility of errors. AI continues to influence our daily life at home. AI home assistants are becoming intelligent companions that can anticipate your needs and simplify your life in unexpected ways. They are no longer merely voice-activated devices that obey commands. For example, Samsung's AI home ecosystem allows you to control appliances, lighting, and security systems effortlessly, all from one central platform. Everything functions flawlessly together, so you don't have to mess with numerous programs or switches. In a similar way, Google TV's Gemini AI enables natural interaction with your devices. You can ask for summaries of shows, personalized recommendations, or even educational content. The AI doesn't just respond, it also learns your tastes, understands context, and adjusts to your daily schedule. Instead of being reactive, these AI assistants are starting to take action. Consider how an AI could remind you of your daily routine, make food recommendations based on what's in your refrigerator, or even change the temperature before you notice that the room is too hot or chilly. They can track how much energy you use, offer advice on how to save electricity, or notify you when appliances require maintenance. By 2026, AI home assistants won't just be helpful tools, they'll feel like reliable companions, simplifying everyday life and making your home smarter, safer, and more comfortable than ever. Finally, wearable technology like Apple Watch, Fitbit, Garmin, Samsung Galaxy Watch, and Oura Ring is going far beyond fitness tracking. Heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep quality, and even medical-grade diagnoses can all be tracked by modern wearable technology. These gadgets are being used by people to monitor their activities, maintain their health, and identify possible problems before they become serious. Additionally, wearables are becoming less visible and elegant. For example, smart rings that mimic regular jewelry can measure your health. Other gadgets are becoming more convenient than ever by including features like wireless charging, reduced power consumption, and interaction with smart home systems. These wearables will be a seamless part of our lives by 2026, quietly monitoring our health and providing advice without being intrusive. They are now partners for a smarter, healthier way of living rather than merely devices. Therefore, 2026 is turning out to be an exciting year of technological transformation, whether it involves enhanced wearables, AI for retail and logistics, AI creating immersive realities, robots working alongside humans, or intelligent AI home assistants. These developments are more than just flashy devices. They are tools that improve the safety, effectiveness, and satisfaction of our lives. And you know what's the best part? We're only just scratching the surface. There's more of it. The technology we're seeing now is laying the foundation for a future where our daily lives, workplaces, and even leisure activities are intertwined with smart, adaptive systems. The world of 2026 won't just be about new gadgets. It will be about experiences that enhance how we live, learn, work, and connect with the people and environment around us. Are you ready to embrace this future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss the latest updates in AI and robotics.